Here we are downtown Indianapolis. We have a brand new listing, a really beautiful luxury condo. The address is 2104 North Pennsylvania Street. This is walking distance from everything downtown you ever want. I want to show you this gorgeous property. Come on, let's go. Here we are in the main area of our townhome. What I really appreciate about this property in particular is it's got a nice open concept in this middle main area. It's very bright, as you can tell, but it feeds right into the kitchen. Go ahead and check that out. Here we are in the primary bedroom. What I really appreciate about this room in particular is you got this really great loft area. You come out here, have your cup of coffee, enjoy the great weather that we're having today. Check out the rest of the primary bedroom. Here we're in our basement area of this townhome. The thing I think a future buyer is just gonna love is you have your own parking, and we are downtown Indianapolis. That's walking distance from everything. Hard to find parking downtown anyways. You have it here. Got a really cool hangout area, as you can see, good space, and it has its own wet bar. Check it out.